To a young person, there's probably no better summer job than working at the car wash.
A lot of my friends work here. I've gotten a lot of my friends jobs here. I just like getting paid, I'd say, yeah.
But along with the fun of working with your friends and a nice paycheck comes responsibility that young workers may overlook.
A lot of the younger people have a lot of activities on their plate other than working for us, school, sports maybe, who knows what's going on at home. So we like to make sure when they come here to the car wash that their mind's clear, that they're paying attention, that they're being safe.
There are unique rules for minors under the age of 18 working in Washington State, and the tasks that they can perform and the hours that they can work are different than that of adults.
There's very few things that teens or underage workers can do, so we try to make the employers aware not to let them up on ladders, don't expose them to chemicals, and we suggest strongly that they are with a more seasoned person, not a couple of teenagers working together, because they can lose concentration, and that's why we'd like to see somebody more senior working with them.
There's been plenty of times where I'd be guiding a car up and there would be a glare and the customer can't see my hand signals, so they would go on the rail and they still couldn't see me, so they would keep going thinking that I would tell them to keep going, but I'm really telling them to stop. Make sure to be always alert. People might get complacent and forget the main priority to keeping everybody safe.
To learn more about prohibited duties, wages, rest breaks, and other rules for minor workers, visit lni.wa.gov/young worker safety.